Hello, I am working with a company called WonderFox that develops different types of software, mostly for Windows devices. So they want me to show you guys just some features of their HD Video Converter Factory Pro software, which they sent me a link, download it. I will post a link in the video description so you guys can get right to this. You do have to pay for it when you want to use any of the features, of course, but I'm going to show you. I've got a paid license right now to show the features of this. So when you download it, you're going to get this installer like this. I've already ran it. It installed the software right here as a shortcut to it. So we're going to open this up. And today, this video at least, I'm just going to show you how to download videos offline using their software, like YouTube, of course. YouTube's a very common one for this, without paying for YouTube Premium, you know. So what you'll do, you'll go to the downloader one option here once this opens. Now this was already licensed. If you don't have yours licensed yet, it will pop up to enter your license code or purchase it. So we're going to go to downloader link here. Now we're going to do this. This here shows you where it puts the videos when they're downloaded. So you can change that if you want to. So to change this, you've got to go here and then go like desktop. Okay. And it will change it to your desktop location. Now we'll do new download. Now it's detecting what I copied in here already, but what I did, I went to a YouTube video, which is the new MacBook Neo from Apple introduction video. So we're going to copy that URL. So there, I pasted and it analyzed here, and it came up with all these video resolutions available, different file types, MP4 and WebM. Now I'm going to do MP4. This is 4K quality, which is awesome. You can do just downloading the audio if you need just audio, but I'm going to do that one. Do OK. Download all. Let's do that. And now it's going to try to download it, which that is going amazing. Okay. So there it is on the desktop, which is down here. Open this. Sure, media player.
This is
wow.
an amazing.
That works well.
At a surprising price.
Download the whole file. No watermarks or nothing, which is good. Wow. So that's perfect. Audio, everything looks great. I'm not going to go through the entire thing, but that's how it works. So I'm going to close this. Close this. Super discount. So what's it say here? As a companion program. Oh, so they have another software called DVD Ripper Pro. This is just showing another discount on another software of WonderFox. We'll close that. But yeah, so that's how it works. That worked awesome. So yeah, check it out. I mean, there's other ways to download videos like from YouTube, but some of them will put adware and other stuff on your computer too. So this is at least a legit, safe way to do it. Keep watching my channel for other videos about this software. I'm going to make some others on the different features of this software, so check them out, but this is my first one. Thanks for watching today.